How to fix thumbnail previews not showing in Windows. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where photo or image previews aren't showing up in File Explorer. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Alright, first open up File Explorer. At the top, click on the three dots. Then click on Options. This will open a new window called Folder Options. Click on the View tab at the top. Now look through the list for a setting called Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. If this box is checked, that's why you're not seeing image previews. Just uncheck that box. Then head down to the bottom and press Apply. And then hit OK. Now when you go back into your folders with images, you should see all the little previews working again. And that's it. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.